Hey, what is up YouTube? How's it going, y'all? It's Sparky Marky Mark here. I'm here to do a quick review and unboxing for a certain item that we got in 2018 that I purchased in 2018. And it was during the 35th anniversary of G-Shock. And with that, let's play a little music with 21 Pilots. Right. And here it is. It's a G-Shock. And it's in a different box look. And there's the name for it. Now, why does that name sound familiar? Voila. And it's known as to this day a certain watch for the square gold GBW, I believe, if I butcher it not now. Here we go. Even though 18 was a pretty busy year for G-Shock and Casio, and 2017 was super as well, so at least we got more superb. And here it is to the public, and anybody knows what this one is. I mean, we got the silver version of this watch, but that one, of course, was a positive display. And this one is known as the Casio G-Shock GMW. Let's see, Casio G-Shock GMW-B5000GD-9 metal gold square. Look at that design, y'all. Really. And there's a positive display version of it, of course. And with that, here it is, y'all. Magnificent, don't you think? Take it out of its pillow, show you the back blade, but the inners of these things. Stainless steel, gold. It is Bluetooth capability is also connected to your smartphones and iPhones. And you have gold buttons, gold screws. I mean, really. And give a shout outs to the two YouTubers that gave this a nickname. It's not just gold, it's the Blingmaster. Bling, bling. I mean, really, gold letterings everywhere. Another referencing to another G-Shock that we got, well, not a well, it wasn't a watch that we got. It was part of the Project Team Tough. So here you go. But this one is the DW5000 18 karat gold dream project. And if I zoom in carefully, well, this is just a display stand of the G-Shock that we got years ago. Let's just be clear, because that one was used in a display. You can only view it, and you could see it in Japan. It depends on what day they display the watch to let the public see it, but you can only touch the cube of the watch, and it would weigh like, say, a few titanium frogmans. And I gotta say, I mean, everything is about it, and people were dying to get their paws on a watch that would look something like this. But it's gold everywhere. 18 karat, yo. 18 karat gold. So, and then in 2018, celebrating the 35th anniversary, we got ourselves some gold pieces. And of course, the metal G-Shocks got very, very crazy with this one, the GMW B5000TFC-1A. Diamond-like carbon coatings. And then you have this one. There were issues because of this part, but these are considered collectibles, not to be worn. This one only. But if it's limited editions, keep it safe. And this is your nowadays. I mean, really, kind of luxury to wear one of these bad boys. And that's limited edition color right there. GMW-B5000KL-9 color. And this one right here, the silver full metal, is the GMW-B5000D-1JF. You can get it here in the US as well. And of course, you just saw that what you're just seeing. Oh, here it is, one I missed. This one is the GMW-5000TFG-9JR, full metal gold, and that one is positive display. Little similarity to each other if I compare them side by side. You take a look, see? Let's see if I messed it up, huh? Here it is. If you see them side by side, that's negative, this is positive. And have similarities with each other, sort of the same, of course. That's what it is. Pause it if you've seen the two by side, see them aside, pausing the video. And of course, it doesn't have no locking mechanism. This ain't no MRG, but I wish they could have put a locking mechanism. And of course, a locking mechanism right here. And then could have at least make you adjust the watch, you know, to like make sure. No need to take no links, just how about move the inner parts in there. And the stainless steel case screw back. Look at that. Made in Japan. Tough solar, and then there's the logo. You see the logo right here? That's Bluetooth. Pause that, pause it carefully, y'all. Pause it. I mean, it's very great. Alright, let me just unwrap this thing. Oh boy, it is very shut tight. So anyway, to the shoutouts to the two YouTubers, or some YouTubers on YouTube, like Random Rob, Bruce Williams, and who else? Other YouTubers, they coined this watch as the Blingmaster, which I already said. And it's very, very bling bling. And all in all, wall-to-wall fun. So, and also, today's my birthday, and I'm gonna be wearing this on my birthday. So anyway, happy birthday to me. Take care, y'all, and God bless you. And have a grateful day of another isolations, of course. And what else? Just be safe and God bless you and take care. Happy birthday to me, y'all. This is Sparky, and I'm out of here. See you on the next video.